three stocks to watch and trade tomorrow on the back of its quarter 3 earnings. The first one's Pidilite Industries. Now, the company reported a 7% jump in revenues, coming at roughly 3,369 crores compared to 3,130 crores. So, a strong beat in that. EBITDA was also up about 7.5% to come in at 798 crores. Overall, margins have been maintained at 23.7%, much in line with estimates, while profits also have come in at roughly about 552 crores, which is a growth of 8%. Now, the company reported a 284 basis point jump in its gross margin that was led by lower input costs, so it's a key positive for the stock. Watch out for this one. The second one's Go Digit. Now, the company reported its quarter 3 earnings. Gross written premium have come in at 2,677 crores versus 2,428 crores in the same time last year. Its net profit has gone up 3 times to come in at 118 crores versus 42 crores in the same time last year, and its combined ratio has improved to 108.1% versus 110%. So another positive stock reactor possibly for tomorrow. The third one's Persistent Systems, and the IT major has reported a 5.7% growth in its revenues to come in at 3,062 crores in line with estimates. EBIT has come in at 456 crores versus estimates of 441, so a beat there, which has increased its overall margins to 14.9% versus 14.5%. Its profit has also grown by almost 15% to 373 crores, and its 12-month total contract value have come in at 594 million versus 529 on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Another positive reactor.